there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we're a bit quite early today,
Yeah,
mate.
we are a little bit.
We're on the ball. Here she comes. Look.
There she is. Oh, bless her. She'll always been on the phone or something. Oh, I'm out of my seatbelt.
Oh,
So you
can't
didn't
come
get-
in, can't come in.
You didn't
Fallen out, is it?
You didn't put it in properly, then
Yeah.
did you?
What we told you about putting it in properly?
Yeah, putting it in probably. It falls out then if you're not. If you don't put it in properly. Everybody knows that.
Have you got it now?
No, Martin,
Martin,
you're
you're
in
in the
mine.
wrong one, Martin. You're in the wrong hole, Martin.
No, go back the other side. Go back the other side.
One of us is they're very
Right.
confusing.
Yeah, there's 3 of them and 3 seats. Very confusing.
I don't think it matters about Jeanette, does it?
If you
I
squeeze
don't
it
think
in.
that matters so much about yours.
Yeah, they all call me Jenna.
Yeah.
I'm responsible for
Hang
people
on,
in my car.
We're all trying to get in the right
It's all
hole a
right, we're all
minute.
trying to get things in the right hole here again, but we're having terrible trouble.
I noticed like with the 3 seats.
Hang on, Martin, get yours in first.
Right.
Martin's in, isn't he?
No, he's got it in his hand.
Oh, a big. Oh, it's getting worse. Gainer's in, I'm in, Martin's not in.
I think we ought to join in this.
I can put him in the back.
I haven't got an optophile anymore.
I'm sure you're in the right hole.
I'm going to hold you and hoping that's
No.
right for me.
Where's your bum?
Opposite side to his dick.
That's Martin.
If you got that mixed up, you're in trouble.
What's in that hole?
And where's Jeanette then?
So where's yours? No,
Jeanette hasn't got one.
I don't say where's your hole.
Is anyone in the back called Fanny?
I just stay
No,
squeezed
I
in.
got 2. I got 2 knocked up. No,
Martin, sit up straight.
Martin's all right.
Right, you
The
go
other
on.
2 aren't belted. You
No,
belted?
you can get in.
I haven't got a
Go
hole.
on, get it in.
Put it in.
It's me who can't do
There's
it.
nothing there, look.
There
It
is
is.
next to Martin's. Right next to Martin's is another one.
There's not.
Jason. Oh, it's the one I looked at. So I saw it. Sure.
There's only one there, Phil.
There's not. There's 2. There's the one for everybody. Just put your hand down the back and have a feel.
I've got to get some words.
I thought, oh,
Does it-
no, this is
Will it matter?
It does.
It does matter.
I'll tell you, I'll just hold yours.
No, you can't, because it's...
He's holding his own.
Get out now,
Give me this for a start.
Let me go out and have a look at my side. a minute.
Right, Phil, look. There's Martin's. Where's mine?
See?
Are we right?
On the other side.
What?
There. That one.
That is your.
That's
I see.
Gainer's.
No, there's nothing in it, is there?
Yeah, see,
It's
this is mine.
Gainer's.
But that's mine here. I couldn't see that you were sitting on it. That's why I
Gainer, Jeanette hasn't
Over
got...
there now.
That's mine.
Well,
There's
yours is
Gainer's.
you want to come this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what you've done with it. You've broken it.
We'll have a look when we stop.
His posh cat.
We're only going 2 miles from you. We'll have a good little.
Just jam Jeanette in the middle. She won't be able to go anywhere.
We'll have a little rummage when we get down.
Hang on, don't drive off yet, Gate.
We'll hem Jeanette in.
This is it. I couldn't find it.
We'll be a human seatbelt.
Oh my God.
Human seatbelt.
It's only the one in the middle
Yes,
now.
Jeanette's not in.
I'll hold you in, love, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll hem
Well,
you
someone
in.
like you looks just like her.
Sometimes they do tuck in underneath the back seat.
We'll
Yeah.
have to have a look.
Have you had the back down or anything?
Have you
for
had
any
the back
reason?
down or anything, Phil?
Not
No.
recently.
Not recently, but then nobody sits in the back recently.
Don't know what we're talking about now.
So does.